Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Ipsy Plus. And this is a $25 a month subscription. Beauty products, blah, 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 blah. If you don't know what Ipsy Plus is, you probably live under a rock. But I do have a giveaway going on right now. That is linked down below, and there's other information down there if you are interested. Let's get into Ipsy. So I open it up, and this is what I see. And it does give you a card, and it tells you how much everything is worth. So let's see. The first thing I am pulling out is Hydravel Illamasqua. I don't know, what is it? Okay, so it's a Hydra Veil primer, and it retails for $45. Let's open it up and take a peek. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's nice and sleek. I don't know, I think this type of packaging is just kind of sexy, but I don't know, I may pass that along. I really don't switch up my primers. I have sensitive skin, so I just usually stick with one primer, one foundation, blah, 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 blah. So the next thing I am pulling out is by Ciate London, and it is a dewy stick. I just got one of these in something, I don't know what. So the Ciate London Dewy Stick in Glow retails for $26. And the packaging is really pretty. This is what the packaging looks like. And I'm pretty sure I just got this. I'm not going to swatch it. I think I will just pass this along to one of you guys. The next thing I am pulling out is this. What is this? Gigi Gorgeous. The Sick Sculpt Bronzer Duo in Turnt and Extra. Okay, and this retails for $24. So I don't bronze. If you know me, if you've been with me for a while, you know that I do not bronze. So I'm not going to open it up, and I will just pass this along. The next thing I am pulling out is a Pink Volumizer Mascara by Deuce or Dose. I don't know, I've never figured out how to pronounce that, but that retails for $24. Interesting. Well, that's pretty packaging. I will not open this. I don't want to show you the wand. I just have so many mascaras open right now, and I would rather give this to somebody that could get some use out of it. And it looks like the last thing I am pulling out is it's a lipstick by Bella and Argent. I don't know, I've never heard of that name. It's a lip color in Smoking on Screen, and it values at $26. And if that is the color, I will be keeping this. So let me open it up and take a peek. Ooh, that is gorgeous. I absolutely love that. It feels super high-end. I really, really like that color. I will be keeping this, so I will give it a quick swatch. It's really cold. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. So that is what it looks like. I am sorry that my lighting is really bad. It is so doomy and gloomy outside right now. But that is that. No palette. Interesting. No palette. So just to recap, we got a lipstick that was valued at $26. We got a mascara that retails for $24. We got a bronzer kit, which retails for $24. We got a dewy stick by Ciate London that retails for $26. And then we also got a primer that retails for $45. So for me, oh yeah, sorry. And the bag is super cute. It's just brown on the inside. And it has like a little suede tassel, so that's super cute. But now I'm kind of curious as to what the regular bag looks like. I'm gonna have to watch unboxings of that. So as far as this box is concerned, I think it's okay. I don't know, I think they've done better. This is the first box that I'm just kind of meh about. I mean, we got a primer, a mascara, a bronze kit, a highlighter, but I've gotten this before, so like none of these things I'm keeping. The only thing I'm keeping is this lipstick, which comes in over $1 of the cost of the box, but that's okay. Generally, I do like it. I'm just not super, super excited about that one, but there will be people out there that receive these things, so I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day. Bye.